Hello again, welcome back. An unboxing. I've got 3 boxes, 2 small ones and a gigantic one, but I don't think, well I know the big one's not beer, so I've no idea what this one is. Ah, it's a glass. You know what it is? It's from, I've ordered a pinter for brewing the beer yourself, and oh, it's nuclear glass, but it hasn't arrived yet. So, but the glass has. So what I can do in the meantime, while I'm waiting on that beer brewing, I can pretend I'm drinking beer. So that's a nice wee glass, wee tulip glass. That's everything in there. Yeah, nothing else. Nice wee box though. Incredible fresh beer deserves an exceptional serve. There we go. The next one is, because I've ordered the pinter, I've also joined the beer club thing. So you get 1 package a month. So that's what this is, I think. It is from a pinter pack, 10 pint eco crate. So I just failed the intelligence test. Oh, it's not. That's it. So this one is Resting Peach Face, a fruited sour ale. So I never chose that one. This is what they chose to send me. So you get a different one each month. So, but I've still not got the pinter. So that's the yeast, and I don't know. I'll go into the ins and outs of that. But I'm looking forward to trying it out. I've never brewed beer. Oh, I've brewed beer once, about 40 years ago, and my microphone. There's no pockets in these shorts. Anyway, I can edit that bit out. And this is what I've been waiting on for I don't know how long. 2 weeks. This is the 3rd attempted. They've tried to deliver it 3 times, and they've always cancelled the delivery because it was a big box or something. So I don't know how I'm going to do this actually. Excuse me. I'll put it on my wee table. There. Yeah, that's fairly steady. So let's crack this one open. I've been really looking forward to this. But as I say, it's not beer, but it's definitely beer related. So that's better. So I'm hoping everything's okay because it's fragile. We've got plenty of packing paper, plenty bubble wrap. Now, do you know what that is? A quack stand. So the glass is obviously in there. So. Yeah, these are definitely well wrapped. So let's have a wee look to see if we can get the wrapping off. Because I was worried about it arriving in a million pieces. I'm looking for the end. So this is a Dutch company, the Netherlands, So hopefully they know what they're doing. And first glass, an Lavalier chalice. So I have got a torpedo for my draft beer of Lavalier waiting to be loaded up once I finish the current one. So the current one I've got in is Delirium Tremens. A shimmy glass. I've got one of them already actually. I'll read. So the shimmy Lavalier. Alright. Next one. So this is just an excuse to drink bells and beers. Not that I need an excuse. Aha! My Delirium Tremens glass. And of course it's like the elephant's trunk. That's fantastic. So that's going to be within the next day or two, that one. And this one is a Leffe or Leffe. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't know if you can see that on the glass there. That's absolutely gorgeous. So I've got quite a few left here. I've got two cases. I've got the blonde and the brune. So really looking forward to that. The glasses are absolutely filthy. So next one. Oh, that fell out. Oh dearie dear. It could be the Vedette. That is a Vedette Extra. That looks an absolute beauty. I don't know if you can see the pattern on the glass. That's a cracker. This one, let me see if I can pull it out here. And this is a brand. Now I've got a brand torpedo for the subsystem as well. Brand a Bock beer, I think, or double Bock. That's a beauty. Next, there's my microphone falling again. Sorry about that. There we go. Now, let's see, aha. That, I think, was the most expensive one. I'm not going to tell you the price because it was quite embarrassing to pay that much. But look at that. So the next step is to get some of the beer. That is a beauty. What have we got in here? Ah, a wee one. Bitburger. And that is, I think that might be a 250ml glass. Let's see. 0.21 it says. I don't know what that means. But that's a nice wee glass as well. I really look forward to drinking the proper beers out of these. Next. Oops. Falling out now. Aha. Oh my goodness, look at the size of that. That's a beauty. Paulaner Weissbier. What a beauty. Look at the size of that, man. I wonder if that's a litre. Oh no, it's only 500ml, half a litre. It looks bigger than that, doesn't it? One that fell out there. Aha! My Guinness glass. I do love Guinness. And I've got one in the fridge actually. Without dropping them. Two in this one. Duvel. I'm going to have to go to my beer shop on payday, pension day. Brasserie de Achouffé. Was that a Chouffé beer? Yeah, it must be. I'm trying to think if I've got any there. I think I might have. In my Trappist beer, my Belgian beer box. Now is this the last one? No, maybe not. I don't know. No. This is Deley. This is Hertog Jan, or Jan Hertog. That's a Grand Prestige. Beautiful glass. And this one, it's a Grimbergen. And look at the pattern. I think that's the Phoenix rising on 1128. And I think that might be it. Yep, nothing in there. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. The order, I won't tell you how much this came to. So I've got the Bitburger beer glass. What was that one? Let's see. The Bitburger, was that the wee one? Yeah, Bitburger. Let's check these off. The Delirium Tremens, which was that one. The Hertog Jan Grand Prestige, which is that one. Duvel beer glass. Chimay beer glass. Affligem beer glass. Don't do that one. I'm really looking forward to that. Affligem. Powell Quack. Used to serve this to the coach drivers apparently. That was how it got that shape. The brand, or Brandt, I don't know how you would say that. The Guinness. I'm sure I've had a Guinness glass before. I don't know that. Maybe when I became single, lost a lot of stuff. Anyway, Grimbergen. That's that one, the Phoenix Rising. The Lef, or Leffy. That's that one. La Chouffe. That one. Chouffe, La Chouffe. Vedette is that one. What a beauty. And the Paulaner beer glass Wiesn. So that's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 glasses. And I ordered these at the end of June, 30th of June. And today is the 12th of July. So there was a bit. They dispatched them practically the next day, but because of the customs hold-ups and that with Brexit, and then it was Hermes, the delivery company, had it. It was out for delivery. Then I got an email saying, problem with the box, it's too big, so we'll arrange a special transport for it. So it was supposed to be delivered again on Saturday. I waited in all day, and it was between, say, what was it, between 2 and 4. And just after 4, got another email saying, problem, we'll be with you within 24 hours. So that was 48 hours ago. And then this morning I got an email. It'll be with you between 3 and 5 today. And it came at 7 o'clock. So, but it's here. That's the main thing. So I now have to go and I've got some of these beers already, but I have to go and source the rest of the beers. That's my mission, should I choose to accept it. So I'm very pleased with that. I need to get some more shelves, to a cabinet or something to put them in. I can't just have them lying on the table on the breakfast bar. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now. Cheers, my dears. That's some size of a box.